Morning. As you can see, I'm here in Filey, just on Filey seafront. I've just been recording a final piece to the camera about my dad's funeral. One of the things I think he would have loved actually would have been geocaching. I think it's one of those things I'd love to have done with him. I think he'd have found it fun and it'd have been an enjoyable aspect of his walk. So there are actually a couple close by to here. So I thought I would just see if I can show you that. Right, so there's one just a few metres away, a couple of 100 metres away, and I thought I'd go and have a quick look. And then there's one at the Sun Lounge in Filey too. So the one that I'm going to go to first, according to the log, I might find that hard to retrieve. It's a bit of a wet morning, and as you can see over in the distance on the skyline, there's a little bit of sun behind the clouds. I don't think we'll get much of that today. It's supposed to be a bit of a wet day. Here we have the crazy golf course in Filey on the seafront. I do know that there's a cache linked to the big fisherman dude coming up, and it's more of one of those puzzle caches, and I've not really got into those yet. I'm guessing it's something to do with the plates. But as I say, this isn't what I'm here for. But if you happen to get to Filey and you're good at those kind of puzzle type caches, this might be something you'd enjoy doing. Let's have a quick look, see how far away we are. 140 metres. Now, from what I can gather, and from the hint, it says under the bridge for this one. And as you can see, it's not exactly ideal conditions for retrieval. So yeah, let's skip that one and move on to the next one. So the next one is called the Sun Lounge. And if I open it up and press navigate, as you can see, this isn't actually down here on the seafront, it's actually up behind those buildings there. There are steps between these buildings, between one of them, that will take you pretty much up to where it is. But I'm actually going to go for a little walk and go the long way around. As you can see, the tide is right up today. I've actually changed my mind. I'm going to go up the steps because I haven't been up here for a long time, and it's always good to have a little change of scenery and do things a bit different. It's an unusual roof. So let it find itself 90 metres away. Get the old heart beating this morning. And this down here is the Sun Lounge. And the cache is in this area somewhere. This used to be a small seaside theatre. And as a kid I remember performing here. Right, let's get looking. So the hint is between two rocks under a tree. And the last activity said searched for about 20 minutes but couldn't see anything. Found the log sheet but no geo. That was in November last year. Now I've just walked up here and I found it straight away because unfortunately it's been revealed. I'll show you what I mean. Can you see it? Can you see that white thing? So let's have a look. And inside there is a little canister. I think this log is going to be a bit waterlogged. There's water inside the whole of this. Let's make sure my hands are dry before I pull this out. I don't want to add to any moisture that might be causing a problem. Yeah, it is a bit wet. Right, I'm going to just tuck that back away. I actually don't have a handkerchief with me to dry that out, which unfortunately that's shaking, it's got rid of most of that. So what I've done is I've put it all away and tucked it back, as the hint says, between two rocks beneath the tree. If you've liked this little video, feel free to give me a thumbs up. If you don't like it, give me a thumbs down. If you subscribe to the channel, you'll get a notification when I've uploaded any more videos, either geocaching, cleaning stuff, camping stuff. You get the gist. I'll see you soon.